Good morning students. Welcome to class 6 Mathematics chapter 6 Integers lecture number 1. Students, this chapter integers you will do first time. You have not done in previous classes anything about integers. So listen each and everything very carefully and don't miss any lecture. In our lecture 1, today we will include topics: introduction of integers, positive integers, negative integers, successor of integers, predecessor of integers, tag with a sign, and representation of integers on number line. These are the topics that we will cover in our today's lecture. So our first topic is introduction of integers. The first number to be discovered were natural numbers. That you all know that counting numbers are natural numbers, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. These are the first numbers that are discovered. After that, we include 0 to the collection of natural numbers and we get a new collection of numbers which is known as whole numbers. When we include 0 to the collection of natural numbers, we will get new number that are known as whole numbers. That is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. To the natural numbers, we have included 0 in 8. After whole numbers, we know that on adding any two whole numbers, we will get a whole number. When we add any two whole numbers, we always get a whole number. Is it true for subtraction also? Can we say that when we subtract two whole numbers, we will get whole numbers? No. Now see the example. 37 minus 25 is 12. This is a whole number. 37 minus 37 is 0. That is also a whole number. But when we are doing 25 minus 37, then we don't know, because here we are subtracting greater number from the smaller one, isn't it? See, in the last case, there is no answer in the system of whole numbers. Why? Because we always subtract smaller number from the greater number. Okay, means when a bigger whole number is subtracted from a smaller whole number, we do not get a whole number. Okay, when a bigger number is subtracted from a smaller whole number, we do not get a whole number. Now to overcome this situation, we introduce negative numbers such as minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and so on. Which are the opposite of natural numbers? Okay, natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Minus 1 is opposite of 1. Minus 2 is opposite of 2. minus 3 is opposite of 3, minus 4 is opposite of 4, minus 5 is opposite of 5. These new numbers together with whole number are called integers. What are those new numbers? They are minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. These are new numbers. Okay, and whole numbers you know, that is 0, 1, 2, 3. Like these. So all these numbers together make a whole number. Together make a integers. Thus the numbers minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 are integers. After that, positive integers. Integers are two types, positive integers and negative integers. So what are positive integers? The natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 are called positive integers. Negative integers. The negative integers such as minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and so on are called negative integers. Means integers with whose there is minus sign with them. They are called negative integers, and the integers, if there is plus sign with them, then they are known as positive integers. The number 0 is an integer. Okay, 0 is also an integer, but it is neither positive nor negative. We will say that 0 is an integer, but it is neither negative nor positive integer. Positive integers can also be written as plus 1, plus 2, plus 3 and so on. Means if you are writing any positive integers, you can write down it with the help of plus sign also or without plus sign also. If you are writing directly 1, 2, 3, that is also a positive integer, and if you are writing plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, that is also a positive integers. Now next topic is successor and predecessor of an integer. One more than a given number is called its successor. That you have done earlier also in whole numbers. That one more than a given number is called its successor. And one less than a given number is called its predecessor. We can say this in another way also. See how? If movement to the right is made to the given number, we will get its successor. That I will tell you how. If movement to the right is made to the given number, we will get its successor. Now see, this is the sequence of negative integers, 0 and positive integers. We always follow same sequence. Minus 8, minus 7, minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 like this. Okay. Now I am reading it again. If movement to the right is made, if you are taking any integer and you are moving towards its right, one step right, then you will get its successor. See the example. number are 4. Now move one step right to the 4. You will get 5. So 5 is its successor. Now see, where is minus 3? And move one step towards its right. What you will get? Minus 2. So minus 2 is the successor of minus 3. Now see, where is minus 1? Now move one step towards its right hand side. You will get 0. So 0 is the successor of minus 1. If movement to the left is made to the given number, we will get its predecessor. In the previous example, we have done that if we will move to the right hand side, we will get the successor, and if we will move to the left, we will get the predecessor. Same sequence I have written now again, minus 8 to 8, and it is not like this that we can write down up to minus 8 to 8 only. Now see example of this also. Numbers are same numbers I have taken. Number is 4. Now see 4 and move one step towards its left. You will get the predecessor 3. Now see, where is minus 3? And move one step towards its left hand side. You will get minus 4. So minus 4 is the predecessor of 3. Minus 3. Now see, where is minus 1? And move one step towards its left hand side. You will get minus 2. So minus 2 is the predecessor of minus 1. Now our next topic is tag with a sign. We have seen that numbers carry a minus sign. Okay, that we have seen. If we want to show profit and loss from the sale of certain item, since profit and loss are opposite situations, we represent profit by plus sign and loss by minus sign. I have told you that positive integers and negative integers are opposite of each other. Okay, and suppose we have to mention profit and loss of a certain item. You know it very well that profit and loss are two opposite situations. Either we get the profit or we have to suffer a loss. We can't get both the things together, profit also and loss also. So if we get the profit, we will represent it with plus sign. And if we suffer loss, we will represent it with minus sign. See the example. Similarly, height above the sea level is denoted by a plus sign and below the sea level by minus sign. As above and below, these are two opposite situations. So above we will represent by plus sign and below we will represent by minus sign. Now earnings are represented by plus sign. Earnings means that we earn, जो हम कमा रहे हैं. And spending may be shown by minus sign. Spending means that we spend, that we means खर्च करना. So earning and spending are the opposite situations. So earning we always represent by plus sign and spending we also represent by minus sign. Temperature above 0 degree Celsius by plus sign and below 0 degree Celsius by minus sign. That I have told you in the first example, that above and below are two opposite situations. Above we mention by plus sign and below we mention by negative sign, minus sign. Now see representation of integers on number line. How we represent integers on a number line? We have two types of integers, negative integers and positive integers. This is a number line. In number line, we have to show negative integers also and positive integers also. So we will write down in the center of the line 0 because 0 is neither positive nor negative. And to the right hand side of 0, we will write down positive integers, and to the left hand side of 0, we write negative integers. And we always start from just right and left of the 0. Now see how to make a number line. Draw a line and mark some points at equal distance on it as shown in the figure. Mark a point 0 on it. Points to the right of 0 are positive integers and to the left of 0 are negative integers. Clear? Now if I have to mark -3 on number line. So what we will do? First of all, we will make this type of number line. Okay? Same positive also, negative integers also, 0 also. And then wherever -3 is coming, that I will encircle. Okay? In this way I can show the number on number line, integers on number line. So that's all for today, students. Now see your homework. Your homework is to do exercise 6.1, question number 1, 2, 4, 5 in book and question 3, 6 in fair notebook. Let us revise once what we have done today. Integers we have done. Positive integers and negative integers, two types of integers. 0 is neither positive nor negative. Okay. Then we have done how to tag a number with plus sign and minus sign. Negative and positive integers are opposite to each other. Same as above and below are opposite of each other. Earning and spending are opposite of each other. Okay, above we always denote with plus sign, below we will represent as minus sign. Then we have done successor and predecessor. For successor, we have to move one step towards the right of the given number, and for predecessor, we will move one step towards the left of the given number. And last that we have done is how to represent a number in a number line. For that, we have to make first of all one number line of integers. Thank you. Have a great day.